In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to open Charles Schwab International account. So let's get started. Now, if you want to open a Charles Schwab International account, the process is done online through their official website. An international account is designed for non-US residents who want to invest in US stocks, ETFs, and other securities. To begin, you want to go to their website and choose the option for international individual account. And then you'll be asked to complete an online application form that includes your full legal name, date of birth, country of residence, and tax information. So wait, let's start. So I'm gonna go ahead and open an account, and you can choose any of the options here. I'll try going for the individual brokerage, perhaps for an example. Once I click on that, it's taking a moment. Okay, so yeah, it gives you a little bit of information. What can you do with this brokerage account? What are the costs of opening this? Well, it's for free. And what do you need for this? Like, you need your social security number, your employer's name and mailing address, and your email address and mobile phone number. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and press get started. So this is what the page they'll show you is. You want to go ahead and fill your name, if your current home address is in the United States, your date of birth, your social security number, and in short, your contact information, and so on. And once you go ahead and do that, you want to go ahead and click on continue, and you'll be redirected to creating your login credentials. And you're gonna go ahead and create your login ID, your password, your security question and answer for that, and then you're gonna go ahead and start filling the important information for creating your account. So for example, where you live, your home address, and then your purpose for opening this account, and your employment status, and some questions they ask everyone, and so on and so on. And like this, they keep on asking you stuff. And in short, well, what they're going to be asking you is about some tax information, which refers to the details that determine how your investment earnings are taxed in your home country and the United States. They will also ask you, because you'll need to upload a government issued ID, such as a passport, and your proof of address, like I told you, like a utility bill or a bank statement. This is just a part of KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, a regulatory requirement that financial institutions use to verify identity and prevent fraud or money laundering. Now, after submitting your application, like creating your login credentials, where you live, filling in all of the stuff as you continue on from your personal information to regulatory to features to review to agreement. After you're done with all of that, and then you submit your application, Schwab will review your documents, which can take several business days, and once approved, you will fund the account through an international bank transfer, also known as wire transfer, which electronically moves money between banks across countries. And after the funds settle, meaning they officially arrive and clear in your brokerage account, you can begin investing in available securities. And yeah, well, by then you will have your Schwab International account ready, and yeah, that's how you can create your Schwab International account. And anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.